Imagine a time each day when the sun sits low, casting a warm, soft glow that seems to make everything look magical. This is the golden hour, a fleeting window just after sunrise or before sunset. The sunlight travels through more of Earth's atmosphere, scattering shorter blue wavelengths and letting longer red and orange hues dominate. Shadows grow longer, contrasts soften, and colors become richer. This natural phenomenon transforms ordinary scenes into atmospheric masterpieces, evoking emotion and depth in every frame. It's nature's built-in filter, painting the world anew.